Hello, this is Warweasel again. It's been a long time since I've had an update, but I've been making quite a bit of progress, and I thought that I would finally make a video to show what I've been doing. Part of my issue is that I've well, been very busy with just life things, but I've had to completely remake a lot of what I've done for my game. Basically bad code from learning how to do things in the first place. So here, let's just start off. We'll go with the basics. Here is my character. I'm using the basic mannequin for now, for technical reasons. You'll see that he has his clothing on, that I can put more clothing on. The hair acts just like clothing. Um, of course, he can run around. This is the same locomotion system I was working on before, and I can use it. It has IK, FK, of course it has FK. But also, I can switch and do a couple of attacks. Now I'm still working on the animations here. I just needed something quick. And a lot of my time and effort has been in learning how to use the animation and get the animations in and modify them. If you notice, these are different animations than when he's walking. These are my homemade ones. Basically replacing the advanced locomotion system that I was using before and adding in a few things. Now, if I want, I can get rid of that, and now he's back to his normal. Of course, we still have all the other nice things. Now this doesn't quite work right because I don't have any crouching animations for him yet, but it works okay. Again, I'm just trying to get everything working properly. These are the rotate in place animations are my own, which I'm actually kind of proud of. This is a difficult system to get right with a lot of interconnected parts. I don't have this working yet, but this actually shouldn't be working for a baseball bat. This is just a test dummy. And I've been playing around with the lighting, just learning the editor and that sort of thing. I can go in here and modify the character's clothing. So if I wanted to say take this and delete it, there the character is now no longer has his shirt on that I made. I don't know why that just did that, but yep, back on his head. But we'll come back here. So the hair is not his and looks terrible on him, but at least it's hair, right? So I have that. I only have one weapon at the moment, but I can have others. It's very, very similar to the clothing method. I've created a lot of assets, my baseball bat animations, really learning how to use these. It has been very, very illuminating. It has taught me a lot. If we go into Blender, we can actually see some of what I've been up to playing with this. And I have lots and lots of animations that I've brought in and modified and made. It's becoming a real issue to try to keep track of them all. but it's actually great to have this kind of capability, and to make my own animations, to make custom animations, and I believe that I'm improving a great deal. So there's at least something to that. From there, I always wish I had more done. There's all sorts of tools and such that I've been learning. The shirt, let me bring the shirt back in. Uh, I made that in Marvelous Designer. Unfortunately, the characters' weights, vertex weights, aren't correct, so that's why it looks so bad. I just haven't taken the time to fix it. I only care that the clothes are on him and that the vertex weights are doing something. I don't care if they look great right now. Again, I can have as many of these as I want, within reason. It would just slow my game down. Weapons, soon I'll be adding pickups, and hopefully a pistol will be my next thing. I should be able just to find animations for that instead of having to make them from scratch. Well, that's everything I have today. I'm actually really happy with where I've made it this week, and I am going to continue forward, posting what I have, and hopefully soon we will have actual gameplay. Yeah. Have a good day.